welcome back. This is part two. It's another try of testing out a Hart electric mower. So we're gonna give this a try because the last one didn't work for me. So anyhow, we're gonna cut a little section here and see how it does. Wow, it seems to be cutting pretty good. Wow. I give it a pretty good rating. Now here I'm going to go into some deep grass right here. Let's see how it does. Deep grass. Wow. Look at that. This is high grass right there. Look, check this out. I give this 4 stars, maybe even 5. Okay, all right. This thing, I give this thing 5 stars. It cuts very well. The box says 40 minutes. The battery lasts 40 minutes. I don't know if it's cooler today or what, but my battery lasted 45 minutes. It's light. It's easy to maneuver. It cuts the grass. I'd say excellent. I like the way it cuts. I mean, I got deep grass and it cut it way down. Even in the high grass, the motor kicks in and even cuts it better. So I'm very happy with this lawnmower, and you can adjust the wheels this easy. Just grab that and up and down it goes, and it's very simple. You just pull back and push this button, and you're cutting. And it cuts really, really good, really good. If you got a bigger yard, go ahead and order another battery. It even has another spot for a second battery, but I never even got into the second one. And it lasts. I give it thumbs up and 5 stars. So I recommend this. I definitely recommend it. So, all right.